Johnny, come see what I see for here.
Jesus. Oh, but see how this man they beat this man.
Wait. No. My wife no fit try this kind one with you. No woman fit follow me try that kind of rubbish.
You mean now?
Me, Johnny, I go beat them, send them go in Papa house. See how they treat that one there, they look there. No woman go follow me try that kind of rubbish. Oh.
Yes. Wait, I'll call you back. Johnny, you still there yet? The children that say me go carry for school, don't go carry them. I don't understand. Wait, you and who they? Yeah, you don't get house. Which kind of rubbish be this one? See, before my feet go dry, make sure so you don't go carry the children. Come. Where you they go? Now so you tell they go fold one leg of your trouser, so how you go feel wrong. Hey! Why you they look me like that? You won't join now?